Assalamualaikum, dear students. Hope you are healthy and hearty. Welcome back to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I'm going to take home science class for the students of class 7 on the topic of multiple choice question part 2. I'm repeating. Today our topic is multiple choice question part 3. Students, this is our 23rd lecture. I'm repeating, this is our 23rd lecture. Students, take your notebook and writing elements. We'll discuss about multiple choice question part 3. So let's begin. Our first question starts with question number 48. The question is, how many sets of threads are needed to make the formative design of the clothes? Our options are 2, 3, 4, 5. Students, do you know how many sets of threads are needed to make the formative design of the clothes? Yes, the answer will be option A. That means 2 sets of threads. Now come to question number 49. Clothes can be made by knitting threads, not to be made directly from fibers, be made directly from fibers. Which one of the following is correct? Options are 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 1 and 3, 1, 2 and 3. So can you guess which one will be correct here? Yes, option C, 1 and 3 will be our correct answer. Question number 50. A cloth can be decorated by dyeing, printing, painting. Which one is correct? Options are A and B, B and C, A and C, A, B and C. So our correct answer will be option 4. That means dyeing, printing, painting. All can decorate a cloth. Number 51. Dresses with which sleeves are suitable for a slim person? Options are short sleeves, full sleeves, 3/4 sleeveless. Yes, here our answer will be option B, full sleeves. Come to question number 52. The characteristic that an individual has is called behavior, personality, attitude, character. So the correct answer of question number 52 will be option B. That means personality. 53. A fat person looks fatter with a dress with small printed design, half sleeveless, large printed design, large neck. Can you guess which one will be correct here? Here, correct answer is option C, large printed design. Now we'll do question number 54. Which one is suitable for a person short in size? Given options are dresses with big printed design, dress with bright color, dress with horizontal stripes, dress with small printed design. Can you guess which one will be correct here? The last one, that means option D, dress with small printed design, is suitable for a person short in size. Question number 55. Which color is suitable for a dark complexion? Given options are red, orange, blue, yellow. Here, the correct answer is option D, yellow. Question number 56. For a tropical country, what type of dress should be selected? Options are easily absorb sweat, nice color, bad heat conductor, gorgeous. So here our correct answer is option A, easily absorb sweat. This type of dress should be selected for a tropical country. Now, read the following passage and answer the question numbers 57 and 58. Nehal is a fat boy. He is very much careless in selecting dress. Now you have to give answer of question number 57. Which one is suitable for Nehal? Options are a dress of bright color, a dress with large printed design, a dress with large neck, a dress with full sleeves. Here, correct answer will be option C, a dress with large neck. Question number 58. Nehal should select dresses considering his appearance, taste, personality. Which one of the following is correct? Options are 1 and 3, 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3. So, here correct answer is option D. That means all are correct. Appearance, taste and personality. All are correct. All have to consider for Nehal while selecting dress. Question number 59. Which one is considered as bright color? Given options are blue, orange, green, bluish green. Here correct answer is option B, orange. So we have to put tick mark on option B. Number 60. With what can we achieve dignity, honor, and social status? Options are beauty, intellect, attractive personality, good performance. Can you guess which one will be correct here from these options? Here correct option is option C, attractive personality. Number 61. Which one of the following is used to remove an old mud stain? Options are vinegar, soap, water, oxalic acid, glycerin. So correct answer is option C, oxalic acid. Number 62. Which one is used as an alternative of rice starch to bring stiffness of a cloth? Given options are acetone, arrowroot, borax, ammonia. So here our correct answer will be option B, arrowroot. Number 63. To wash woolen cloths, temperature of water should be nearly 90 degrees Fahrenheit, 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 110 degrees Fahrenheit, 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Here correct answer will be option B, 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Now come to question number 64. Which is smalt remover? Options are soda, baking soda, Zavali water, chlorine. So here correct answer is option B, baking soda. Number 65, and this is our last question for MCQ. Solution of salt is used to remove the stain of mud, coffee, turmeric, blood. Students, can you guess which one will be correct answer here? Yes, we can guess. This will be option D. That means blood. Solution of salt is used to remove the stain of blood. Students, that's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamualaikum.